Hi viewers, how are you today? Our topic is the corn husk craft ideas. You are watching the corn husk worth door hanging. You are watching another idea of corn husk Christmas tree. You are watching a unique flower of the corn husk. Uh, Viewers, you are watching beautiful dolls craft. You are watching the dyed colors corn husk beautiful decorating. You are watching another flower idea of the corn husk uh, beautiful idea corn husk doll making uh, viewers beautiful another unique idea of the corn husk. You are watching the corn husk worth simple and easy. You are watching the corn husk flower idea how to make flowers. You are watching the different colors and other design of flowers. Another idea of rose flowers bunch. You are uh, you are watching the flower simple easy flower making with the corn husk. You are watching the rose flower different colors. You are watching another flower making with the corn husk. uh, you are watching the doll making with the corn husk. You are watching the corn husk dyed and beautiful corn. You are watching the flowers of corn husk different colored dyed flowers. You are watching another doll beautiful cute idea for dolls make with the corn husk. You are watching the lotus flowers make with the corn husk. You are watching beautiful idea of corn husk flowers. You are watching another design of the corn husk flowers. Simple and easy. You can make at home corn husk flowers. You are watching different colors. You are watching another design of the corn husk flowers. You are watching beautiful dahlia flowers made with the corn husk. You are watching Ganga gold corn husks flowers. You are watching beautiful corn husk flower idea. You are watching beautiful flowers. You are watching a mother and his baby made with the corn husk. You are watching rose flowers made with the corn husk. You are watching simple and easy idea for making corn husk flowers. You are watching deer corn husk dyed corn